Hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshus and Tarot messages for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. From 30th of December till the 5th of January, you can take it as messages, guidance, or warnings, or challenges, obstacles on your path in this week. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It is life-changing, okay? And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. For any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. So let's start. Cancer. Let's see for this week what we have. The master, wow. 30th of December, we got the master. It's like tomorrow only. So, you should definitely find a guru or a mentor or somebody who can help you to navigate you through the process of spiritual awakening, spiritual growth, or something that you might be struggling with. You should definitely find the master, find the guru, or find somebody who can help you in going through this process that you're kind of feeling stuck in. Now, the guru should not be a physical guru. It could be, again, it could be Osho himself. It could be like other, like YouTube videos. It could be somebody you follow, the books. It could be anybody, but you need a guide or a master that you need to surrender to in order to move forward in your life, in some area of your life that you're feeling stuck in. Okay, 31st, we have the beyond illusions. You will be able to see people, situations, and things for what they are and who they are, and or you should. Because you might be trying to see all the positives in all energies, all people around you, but people are not what they show you they are. So try to go beyond illusions, or you might be having certain kind of illusions or delusions regarding certain situations in your life that you need to still clear off and stay in the reality of the situations. So go see beyond the illusions. 1st of January intensity, you are going to feel very passionate about something. You are going to be like, I am going to use all my full power, full courage, and full strength to go in a particular direction where my heart is leading me to. That kind of intensity is going to help you to navigate through a very, what we call that, uh, not struggleful. So normal people will call it very difficult process because of the intensity and the energy that you're going to show to the universe. The universe is definitely going to show you the path. Very good. Very good. 2nd of January, silence. So on the 2nd of January, you're going to realize that this intensity, this strength that you're having needs to be grounded as well. So you need to come back to yourself, meaning coming back to home, and practice silence as much as you can. At least 10 minutes of silence per day, talking to yourself, connecting with yourself, understanding yourself better with each passing day is going to help you to navigate through this process. Cancer, knowingly or unknowingly, you guys are going through a major spiritual awakening in your life and spiritual growth in your life, and all this is a process. This is a step by step process that's happening with you. So silence on 2nd of January. 3rd, we have the understanding. So now on the 3rd of January, you need to understand that you are the only one who can stop yourself from doing things that you feel you should do or you can do. No limit, no other person, no other energy is kind of stopping you from doing what you should do or can stop you from doing what you should do. It's all about your understanding. You can definitely go and fly as high as you want to, because if others can do it, you can also do it. It's just your limiting belief or your perception stopping you from doing something that you really want to do or deserve to do. Cool. So it's your own perception, your mind, your own understanding of what you should not be doing or what you should be doing on a human level. Cool. 4th, we have the innocence. So even if you are a 95-year-old, 100-year-old, do not forget to be innocent. Do not forget to find innocence and love and laughter and joy in small things in your life. The more you are going to stay in tune with your inner child, the more universe is going to give you more reasons to be happy and more reasons to be aligning with the universe in a very beautiful and positive way. Enjoy this. Okay. 5th, we have the fighting. So on 5th of January, you might end up fighting with people for something very futile. So you need to understand that fighting with anybody is not going to resolve any issues. Don't be a part of any kind of drama, right? That you are going to regret later on. So might be some people are not going to able to some people will not be able to understand your point of view or your energies or your thoughts. It's completely fine, completely fine, because not everybody deserve, you or your energy. So just try to cut your energies from people, situations, or things that are not aligning with your energies, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.